Hope you enjoyed the video and learned how a counter-argument functions. Let us build our counter-argument together. But what does it take to write the counter-argument? You will need some elements that have been discussed earlier, but we will put more emphasis on the new elements we have not dealt with before. In building our counter-argument, we will use the mnemonic device: topic, expert, explain, acknowledge, and refute. Topic sentence, source by an expert, explanation sentence, acknowledgement sentence, and a refutation sentence. Number 1, the topic sentence. The opposing side is introduced through the topic sentence. Suggested phrases used: some critics state that, many believe that, it has been argued that. Example: several critics argue that we should not have to give charity because we lose money to those who do not make as much. Number 2, source by an expert that supports the counter-argument. A quote or piece of evidence by an expert is used to support the idea. When you use a source, mention, number 1, the name or writer, the title of a website or article or book. Explain the area of expertise to show the source can be trusted. Example: in Psychology Today, Dr. Johann Skinner, an expert on human behavior at the Behavioral Studies Center in New York, asserts that humans react to a certain stimulus, whether it's positive or negative. Number 3, explanation sentence. It explains what the evidence proves and provides examples. It should start with a transition. For example, in other words, as a result, therefore, or thus. Helping other people makes us feel good about ourselves. Therefore, when we give charity, we should not think we are losing money, but that we are actually gaining satisfaction. Number 4, acknowledgement sentence. Acknowledge the other side's view in a respectful manner. Use phrases such as a result of, many argue, or for this reason, critics believe. Example: it is understandable why opponents believe that giving charity means losing money, but what they forget to see is the spiritual value one gains once money is given away for a good cause. Number 5, refutation sentence. Here you challenge the opposing viewpoint and remind the readers of your position on the subject. Use phrases such as, nevertheless, your argument, even though a part of the argument is true, it still does not, or though he makes a good point, your argument, while many believe, while this position is popular, it is not. What this argument fails to consider is, while this may be true. Example: though it is a valid argument, giving charity reflects on the way a person views himself as productive, helpful, and active in society. This boosts his morale and gives him a sense of purpose in life that money may not.